ape offers fruit.
Okay, so this is white ape offers fruit. Go for a shirt grab. Okay. And then second variation. Go in, cross the.
Oh, I know. Throw that hand now. See, that's what we were doing with it. We were doing some other things. Let's show it again. Okay.
All right.
So
Number 2.
they're punching. You're going to do a white cream block. Now they're going to punch again. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now when I step in, I want you to step in because we're going to do the Tai Chi part, the taking ground part. So step in like that. Okay. So I have to step in. And what I have to do is I have to chop the neck and sweep at the same time. If I do it at the same time, you see where that goes. 2 motions. It's called splitting energy.
That's the splitting jin.
That's it.
Cool. That's it.